Hey guys, you're going to get really excited about this. So when you close a sale from within your pipeline, you're going to hit one, and I'll show you that in a second. Won the deal. And what we're showing you now is what you can trigger based on that. So what we're going to do is immediately add them to a rhythm, and it's going to be the new client onboarding rhythm. We're also assuming that you have them set up, maybe they're in there as a guest to an event and now you're closing them into a client, or maybe they're a prospect or something like that. So you've got them set up as a type, and that's going to switch to client. So right away, anybody, as soon as the deal is closed, they are now known as a client. And we're also going to send an alert to the entire team. So the way we do that is send an alert, and they will get a SalesRockit alert via email. You can also send it out plain text, so it'll be an HTML, and it'll say, hey, let's give the lead owner, so whoever the salesperson is, a standing ovation. We just closed this, but you can customize that and make it say what you want. You can put the dollar amount, you can put whatever, the product that was sold, things like that. And you can also be really customized. If you don't want to send it to the entire team, just want it, or the entire company, you just want to send it to one team or a couple users or things like that. So whenever there's a trigger, you can really, really customize how that works. So we're going to go ahead and save that. Now, where you find that in the system is you click on the big gear, go down to App Setup, CRM, Triggers, boom. So that's where we just were. Added a new one. And I want to show you what you're going to click to trigger. Oh, wait, I wanted to show you one more thing. I apologize. So when you set up a trigger, it's a new trigger. The triggers can be based on a deal or it can be based on a task. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. And the way it's going to happen, we're going to go to our deals. And again, you can customize those triggers based on pipeline. So if you want to send a different one for sponsorship or event, whatever your pipelines are for, there can be a different trigger event. But the way it's going to work, salesperson clicks on it and says one, click, and all those things happen automatically. You don't have to worry about it.